This entire design was created in less than 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how. This is Keith McGinnis with KCDC Designs. I'm going to start off with just fogging the board. We know the edges are where the epoxy is going to be the thinnest, so we want to make sure we get the color there. But it also adds in kind of another element of another layer of colors. And in this project, I'm using Stone Coat's Speed Cure Pro, which is a quick set epoxy. I've only got about 30 to 45 minutes of working time. So I've got my epoxy mixed up. I'm just going to cover the board with clear epoxy. And you can tell already how fogging that board and adding those layers of colors with the spray paints can really make a difference. So I've got the epoxy on the board. I'm torching out the bubbles. Now with this technique, and I got to credit Alan Chambers, that's why this is called the Chambers effect. I'm using 3 metallic spray paints, 1 hammered spray paint, and then 1 that is a gloss, which is that khaki. Spray the paints on a lot heavier than you think you normally would, and then just taking the flat of the stick to move those spray paints around. Don't overdo it or you're going to get things muddy. Here's where you have to be patient and just let it set and give it time to develop. I'm going to add in that Seaside, Rust-Oleum Seaside, kind of a turquoise teal, but it really makes a big difference and kind of takes it to another level. But that's it. That's all it takes. And here's the flyover of the end result. And again, as long as you're patient, those spray paints are going to create some amazing effects and really give it an authentic look. And what you saw is all I did. I put the spray paints down, I used the flat of the stick, not the edge of the stick, moved those around, and then just gave it time to develop, and then that's what you end up with. I had a friend that wanted a charcuterie board, so I thought, well, here's one that I can whip out pretty quick. But you can do this on a countertop, you can do this on any type of flat surface. You can use those spray paints as accent veins, or you can do the entire project as I did with this one that way. Thanks for watching. This is Keith McGinnis with KCDC Designs. If you're interested in new countertops or if you're interested in hands-on training, be sure and check us out at kcdcdesigns.com. Check us out on Facebook, check us out on YouTube, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.